channel. On this video I'm going to be unboxing my September Liveglam Morphe brushes. I do this every month so you guys can see what brushes I get every month, and maybe you guys will want to subscribe to the subscription. It is a very good subscription and you do save a lot of money. So like I mentioned before on my videos, this subscription is $20. You get between 3 to 8 brushes a month and you only pay $19.99, and it's free shipping in the US. So every month you receive new brushes, so I just figured I would show you what I received this month for September. But before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also turn on that notification bell and give it a thumbs up at the end if you liked it. And also please don't forget, if you sign up with my link, which will be listed in the description box below, you receive a free brush when you subscribe with my link only. So let's go ahead and get started. So every month the subscription has like a theme. This month their theme was like a matcha kind of theme, and I received this pamphlet and it says right here, "We love you very matcha," and it has like a matcha cappuccino, and it does come with a pamphlet so you guys can see right here. It shows you all the brushes that you get and it tells you what they're used for. So this month I did notice that they are 5 brushes which look like this, and they are all wrapped up, and they are all in their gilded collection, which is their gold packaging. So I guess I'm gonna start with, it says here, so I'm gonna start with these 2 brushes right here, and the first one is called the flat definer. So the first brush is the Y21. It's a flat definer. It just looks like this. It looks like it's just a flat definer. It is similar to the M432. They are both flat, but this one is more kind of like tapered in, and it has like a dual fiber. So it is, you use it for the exact same thing. So it says, "This terrific eye brush is everything you need for a steamy look." It says the flat definer, it says, "Use the flat definer to apply color along the lash line and to fill in your brows." I would never use this for my brows. If I use a brush for my brows, I like it to be more angled, but I do like to use this under my eye. This is what I use. Well, not this one, but I use the M432. I use this one to apply shadow like super close to my lower lash line. What I also use this for sometimes is to kind of like apply shadow here, like to the outer V. Sometimes I use it for that, or sometimes I use it to carve in my eyebrows or to apply concealer when I'm going to do like a halo eye. That is mainly what I use it for, but the only thing that I mainly use this for is to apply shadow under the lash line. So once again, this was the Y21 brush. The next brush is called the Y22, and this is called the Detailed Bullet Crease, and it looks like this. It's just like a crease, kind of like a pencil brush. And this one also says, "Use the Detailed Bullet Crease, don't point to apply bold shades in your outer V." If this is just to apply shadow to your outer V, I do apply eyeshadow with this once in a while when I really want to like add more definition to my outer V, or even like to my crease when I want to make my crease like super crisp. I use this as well. I can also use this to highlight my brow bone right here. I can use it to highlight my inner corner, to buff under the eye, like eyeshadow under the eye, to even apply highlighter right here to make the little line on the cupid's bow. So yeah, this is kind of like a pencil brush to me. So this was once again the Y22 brush. So this next brush is kind of like a must for everyone. I used to use this brush a lot, just in another, not like the golden one. I used the M310. So this is a fan brush, and this is the Morphe Y13. As you guys can see, let me just take off the, as you guys can see, it looks so similar, but these are like dual fiber, so they're kind of like the same, just the handle is a little bit shorter. So this is the Pro Highlighter Fan, And it says this Pro Highlight Fan Brush will be your ultimate cup of tea for keeping that summer glow all year round. You only need a light touch to sweep a popping highlight across your cheekbones, cupid's bow, and down your nose. So yes, I would use this to highlight. Like, just grab a little bit of highlighter. You can highlight on your cheek right here, even like on your temples, the tip of the nose, cupid's bow. So yes, once again, this is a Y13 and I do use this for highlighter. So the next brush is the Y18 and it's called the Taper Blending Fluff. It's just like a fluffing brush, but it is not like super round. It is kind of flat from here, so it is not all rounded. So it says, get ready to party with this blending flush brush. With its tapered head, you can use the fluffy tip to blend out your crease color and the side of the brush to throw some shade on your lids. So I do use this. I would use this for shadow mainly. You can use it to buff under the eye the shadow. You can use it on the crease, on the outer V. You can use it for the center. You can even use this to highlight the tip of the nose, the inner corner, cupid's bow. But mainly I would use this for my shades, like for my shadows. So once again, this is the Morphe Y18 brush. And then the last brush is the Y11. And this is called the Deluxe Pointed Contour. It says, use a deluxe pointed brush to define your features and blend in the rest of the makeup. I do use something similar like this for contour, but I use the Morphe R5, which is this one. It is a huge difference. They are both pointed from here, but this one is a little bit fatter and this one's a little bit thinner. So this one kind of looks like, let me see, it also looks like this one, like the bullet one. So I have not used a brush like this to contour, like this small, but I think if you want like a super precise contour, yes, you can use this. What I would mainly use this for is to set under my eye or to dust away powder, or even like to apply highlighter. I would use this. So once again, this is a Y11 brush. So these are the 5 of the brushes that I received this month, and like I said, you only pay $20, and I find that it's a super good deal. So yes, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and once again, if you want to sign up with my link, just check out the description box below and it'll show you a link where you can go and subscribe for the subscription box. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.